welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Señorita on acoustic guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and we'll start with the intro melody, which will sound something like this. I'm going to play it slowly, and tabs will appear on the screen. Now let's learn the chords. The chords will sound like this. We started with an A minor 7. We're forming that by barring fret 5 all the way across and bringing in the ring finger to the A string, fret 7. Then we'll go to a C major 7 formed this way. For that one, we're holding down the A string at fret 3, the D string at fret 5, the G string at fret 4, and the B string at fret 5. And you can bar that all the way across there to get that effect, but we only need this. We're going to raise that chord to fret 8 for an F major 7. We'll go back to an E minor 7 formed this way. For that one, we're barring fret 7 from the A string down, bringing in the middle finger to the B string fret 8 and the ring finger to the D string fret 9. We'll need, finally, a G chord formed this way. For that one, we're barring here at fret 12 the D, G, and B string to get that, and we're going to bring in a finger or the index finger to fret 10 on the A string. So we need to play that. Alright, so our chords are A minor 7, C major 7, F major 7, E minor 7, G. We'll play the chords this way. I'm going to go to my A minor 7. I'm going to play my low note and then use the strings from the A string down to the B string and pluck them this way. like that. Right after that, I'm going to play my low E string, the A string, and then I'm going to pluck the chord again, like that. So it's then I'll move to my C major 7 chord. So with that one, I play the A string and then pluck the chord from the D string down to the B string, like that. So it's then play the A string, D string, and then an up pluck. We're going to move to the F major 7 chord and do the same thing. Then to the E minor 7, and then we'll go to the G chord and play this and follow it with. So here's the entire thing. And that, my friends, is how I play Señorita on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.